Hello, my dear office-bound friends. I've been thinking like all day long about this. Should I make the video? Should I not make the video? But I found it like rather frustrating that many of us are approached the way I have been approached by a person last week. I even posted about it on LinkedIn. There was this girl who was recruiting for some fintech startup in Malta, and we basically discussed about my profile, my CV, and what are my, let's say, qualifications. And after she saw the CV and she was delighted with it, she was like, okay, now I need an hourly rate from you. And I said, yeah, okay, this is my hourly rate. And she said, oh, we're sorry, we can't afford that. We're usually paying 5 to 25 or 10 to 30, something like that, euros per hour for a senior developer. And then I thought about it, and this is a problem that we all face in Eastern Europe, for example. And I think India is in the same situation, but I'm going to address Eastern Europe for now. So as a senior developer, if you're working as an independent contractor, and the thing is that I haven't been exposed to this yet because I had like 3 long-lasting contracts since 2015, and the companies I've worked with and for, they were pretty understanding. They paid what I asked and like my rate at the time, and they were pretty cool about it. But right now, having to talk to this person, and she was basically telling me that she's willing to pay 10 to 30 euros per hour, and that depending on skill level. When you want, I don't know, React, Node.js, microservices, team management, mentorship, and coordination, and deliver on time, and all that, that seems outrageous to me. And it's outrageous, and I am upset at us professionals, not at the companies, because the company will basically look for the biggest bang for their buck. It's your duty, our duty as software developers and as professionals to know our worth and ask for it. And so my plea to you is, if you're going to accept getting paid just as much as a regular employee gets paid gross by a specific company, go work for a company. Don't become an independent contractor and take on the burden of having an accountant, of keeping the books, of keeping expenses, of doing all these activities that normally a company would do for you, and pay healthcare and pay social security and all that. Don't take all that burden if you're going to get paid just as much as a regular worker gets paid in gross. It's too much of a burden. Just don't do it.